Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 4, food and shopping. Everyone loves food, so this is a fun week. You will be able to talk about your meals, order in a cafe, and go shopping in English. So today we start with food words and one very useful idea. So just name one food you like. Here, I like rice. So, what you like, you can say, I like pizza. Okay. And something else, I like burger. So, before going further, you have to just take a review of your previous lecture. So, I'm giving you 30 seconds for this. And the new viewers that who did not take my previous lecture, I would recommend first go to the previous lecture and then come on to this lecture. Okay, so today you will learn name common foods and drinks in English. You will talk about what you eat and drink, and you will know about countable and uncountable food, and use some, any, and a or an correctly. So today you will learn all these things. So category food and drink, like take turns name a food or drink. Okay, so there are some things that I have written it down. For example, rice, milk, apple, tea. Okay, so I have mentioned 10 names of food and drink, so you will remember this. Rice, bread, water, milk, an apple. Repeat after me. Rice, bread, water, milk, an apple. An egg, meat, vegetables, tea, juice. An egg, meat, vegetables, tea, juice. So regarding vegetables, there are 3 syllables on this word. Vegetables. So now we will talk about countable and uncountable. Countable means that we can count, okay, like apples, eggs, vegetables. So these things are countable. So before vowel sound, such as the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, the words that start from a vowel sound, you will use an, like an apple, an hour, an egg. Okay, this is if you are talking about just one thing, but if you are talking about much things, so you just have to say apples, eggs, vegetables. So uncountable on right side, that you cannot count, like rice, bread, meat. Okay, so water, milk, tea, juice. So with countables, you can use a and an. Okay, and after that, you can use the noun. And with uncountable, you will add some. So if it is a positive sentence, so you will use some. And if it is negative or interrogative, then you will use any. So this is the use of some of any, where you have to use, like, I eat some rice, I have some apples, I drink some tea. So it's mean there is no negative or interrogative question or sentence here. So that's why I have used some. But if it comes negative or question, so you just have to use any with all of them. Like, do you have any milk? You won't say, do you have some milk? No, because this is that you are asking question. So you would say, do you have any milk? I don't have any bread. So this is a negative sentence. So I shall also use any. Is there any juice? So next is one countable thing, like I want an apple. I'd like a banana. I and D. Here D means would. WOULD. I would like a banana. I have an egg for breakfast. Such as I have told you, with vowels sound we use an, and with consonant sounds we use a. So this is the pronunciation of the words like some rice, some water, vegetables. I eat some vegetables. So my breakfast. I usually have some bread and an egg for breakfast. And I drink some tea. And I don't eat any meat in the morning. So here I have written it mine here. So for yours, you will write first for your own. Okay. And you also can speak for your own. Like I have mentioned for myself, for breakfast, I have some bread, an egg, and some tea. I don't eat any meat in the morning. So, like this, you also have to explain and you have to practice like this. So, these are some words like I eat some rice every day, because this is positive sentence. Do you have dash milk? Any milk, because this is interrogative. I'd like an apple, please. I am talking about one apple, so that's why I used an apple. I don't drink any juice. So here you have to use the words here. So this is for yours. You will put it, and then after you will make some practice. This is the same that you were going previously. Okay, so you will get the partner first. It could be your brother, sister, or your friend, and you will make practice of the sentences. Here I have mentioned all things, such as I have already explained in previous lectures too. So here you have to write two countable and two uncountable nouns. So this is a quiz for you, and you will write the answers in comment box. And if you have any question or query, you may ask me in the comment box too. So here there are some common mistakes that people make, like they say a rice. No, you will say some rice. Two breads. No, two loaves of bread. It means two pieces of bread. Do you have some milk? No, this is interrogative. So you would say, do you have any milk? A egg? No. It's an vowel sound. And also the letter of E. So you will use an egg. So after making some practice, I hope that you can name some common foods and drinks. You can talk about what you eat and drink, and you know countable versus uncountable food. And after making some practice, you can use some, any, a, and here. So this would be your task that you can do after this 10 foods you eat weekly. Okay, you have to write those names first, and you have to prepare 4 sentences about your typical meals. and then you have to record yourself regarding meal within 60 to 90 seconds. And you also have to use some any, a, and n there. So it's delicious work today. You can talk about your food and drink in English now. Okay, but practice makes someone perfect. So this is mandatory. So thank you so much. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.